Good morning, fourth grade.
Good morning. Mrs. Miles.
Well, happy Monday. I'm so happy to see you guys. As you guys can see on the screen, we are going to finish up our Color Wheel Eye project today. So we have a couple more things we need to do. Hang on just a moment and I can get to you, okay? And then we are going to do a sketch of our cupcake today. So we're not going to get to the coloring portion, but yes, you guys will be making cupcakes today. So I'll do a demonstration of that. Maybe if you bring them, we can make cupcakes. So supplies we are going to need to finish the Color Wheel Eye are right here. So I don't have enough lids for everybody and I don't have enough glue for everybody. So we will have to share. That's right. So everybody is going to need a black square, a white square, probably a white colored pencil, and then the lid and glue bottle. So I'm going to show you how we're going to finish up our Color Wheel Eyes first, and then I will demonstrate how we will do the cupcake. So, on our Color Wheel Eye, we have a bunch of loose papers right now, and that's okay. So you will get your Color Wheel painted back, and then we have the white iris, and then the eyelash paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black lid and my black square, and I'm going to put my black lid over the black square, and then I'm going to trace the circle, and I'm going to cut out the circle because this is going to be what part of our eye?
The pupil.
Pupil, that's right.
The eyelash. No. The eyelash inside the eye. Oh.
So I'm going to cut this pupil out as quickly as I can. And then the white part, the white square is going to act as our highlight for our eye. So you can choose what you want to do. You can cut out circles, you can cut out a square. It's up to you. I'm going to make it nice and simple myself, and I'm just going to cut out a little rectangle. And now it's time to glue. I'm going to glue my pupil down first. We're using liquid glue. And there's a saying that goes with liquid glue. It's dot, dot, not a lot. Do you guys want to say that with me?
Dot, dot, not a lot.
Okay. So I'm not going to put my glue close to the edge of the paper. And I'm just using dots because liquid glue spreads super easy and sticks super well. So I'm just going to put it down in the center of my color wheel, and I'm going to hold it just for a moment. And now I'm going to put my highlight on. I'm maybe going to use 2 small dots for this highlight because I don't want it to spread all over. Okay? And then you're just going to choose a spot where you want your highlight to go. I'm going to say that's good enough. And now, which paper goes on next? The white paper or the eyelash?
White.
White. Okay, so I am not going to put the glue on my color wheel paper just in case, because there's a big hole in this white paper. So what if I put glue here and then my paper doesn't go on top of it? So we're going to put the glue on the paper that goes on top. So I'm going around. Watch how I'm not putting it directly on the edge of the paper. I'm just putting dots about a ½ inch so that when I put it down, it doesn't spread. I'm also going to go around to the circle part so that there won't be a lot of gaps in between. So just a couple dots here and there. And I'm going to flip my paper over. I'm going to line up the edges. Try to line up the edges. And then I'm going to press it down and hold it for just a moment. Okay. And now, our eyelash paper. So should I put the glue on the white paper or the green paper?
Green.
Green, that's right. So I'm going to flip my green paper over. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm not putting the glue right on the edge of the paper. And dot, dot, not a lot. And then I'm going to go around the inside of it. Okay? And then I'm going to flip my paper over and decide which way I want the top to go. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to line my edges up, and then I'm going to hold it down. Okay, do you guys notice how on this one, well, it's kind of hard to see on the screen, but there's some spots that need to be filled in. So before you finish, just check over your eyelashes and make sure that there's no construction paper underneath. Some of you might need to go over, maybe you were using a dead marker, I don't know. Just make sure it looks nice and tidy. And once everything is glued on, where do you think our paper is gonna go?
On the drying rack.
On the drying rack by the door. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how